Good morning. I am Pastor Flores, the pastor of Trinity Lutheran Church in Friedenthal. This morning I stand in front of the church looking out into the cornfields. It's a peaceful morning. The sun is starting to come out. The birds are chirping. And it's going to be a wonderful day. On June the 6th, 1944, in a country far away from here, Normandy, France. It was not like that morning. At about 6:30 in the morning, 156,000 troops, Allied troops, from the US, from Canada, from England, and from various Allied countries, started the invasion, started the liberation of France and Europe from Nazi tyranny. That day, many thousands died on the beaches. The night before, near 20,000 paratroopers landed behind enemy lines to disrupt those lines. Today in France, church bells throughout the country will ring. In solidarity with that, other countries, to include the United States, are ringing their church bells at 6:30 in the morning on the 6th of June this year. To remember, to celebrate, to be somber about the cost of liberation. So in a few moments, we will hear the church bells of Trinity and St. Mark's and other churches in our area ring for 1 minute in solidarity with our brothers and sisters in France.